In 2003, we started. It was just a truck driver training school at the time, and we expanded solely based on employers' requests. You tend to have compromises, which is good for us because it helps us when we're dealing with our staff and our students, because we treat them like family while they're here at the same time. It was started by a family whose goal was to provide opportunities for other Alaskans within Alaska in the resource industries. And it has expanded, holding on to those cores into offering over 80 approved courses in the United States, and having employers from Canada call and request programs and students of what we do.
We hire from NIT because we find that NIT exemplifies the same values that we hold here at CH2M Hill, particularly around accountability, quality of work, and safety.
They have a holistic approach to training. They follow up with both the employer and the students. They pride themselves on a successful graduation rate and making sure that their students are placed with employers.
We believe in the hands-on is very, very important, that we keep very low instructor to student ratios, so they have the most one-on-one, they have the most experience with the instructor, the most hands-on time, and they actually get to use the tools and manipulate.
They train here in Alaska weather conditions. They train to the hazards that we have here in Alaska, and it puts people to work for us that's not a barrier to them going forward.
You're willing to learn, you have a professional demeanor, you understand we treat our work days 8:30 to 5, it is a full work day. We treat this so you can show up on time, look appropriate, act in a professional manner, stay alert, learn, take as many notes as possible, and try to be the best that you can be. That is the ideal student, regardless of the topic. It's that you attack each day as a professional and understand that this is leading towards career path.
It's part of how we train our students. We have it job related. Everything has to be focused on the job. When we do our practical, we put the vast majority of our emphasis comes to our practical side.
NIT training is very comprehensive. I mean, they have a combination of the classroom training and then getting their trainees out into the field and putting them in different conditions.
Compared to other training providers, I find graduates of NIT to be uniquely qualified for the Alaska construction industry.
NIT's training is unique because it's Alaska-based vocational training with intense programs that teach the students what they need to know and be able to get out and be successful.
All of our instructors have come from industry. We hire them directly from industry, and most of our instructors are at that point in their careers where they've been doing it for such a long period of time. They want to make that decision. They want to pass their information on to the new individuals coming into the field.
The way our programs are set up, they have a lot of facilities-based training, and so they know how to troubleshoot, they know how to use the tools, they know everything that it's capable of, and so they can go to the job site and it's just an easier transition. We do anything it takes to work with partners who believe in the same viewpoints that we do, to make their people safe, to do things the right way. Whatever that opportunity is, it's to train their people in career path and compliance training, to do long-term career development progressions, to get these plans out there so these people understand exactly the opportunities that lay in front of them. That's what NIT is willing to do.